This is part 8 of my 2018 Honda City series. Kindly check out the playlist for more videos about restoring this car. Thank you. In this video, I will detail the most neglected part of the car, the fog lamps. In part 7, I restored this car's headlight lenses, almost brand new like. The fog lamps of this car does not have the yellowing because it doesn't have a clear coat, because the lenses are made of glass. The condition is not that bad, but definitely it lacks clarity. There are some hardened dirt and of course, watermarks. Let's start the process. No need to mask the area, I will tell you why in a bit. First, I have to clean the lenses surface with an all-purpose cleaner. It is an alkaline cleaner that will help break down hardened dirt and grime. Next, wet sanding. I sprayed water on the lenses surface and on the sanding disc to add lubricity and to minimize sanding dust. I use distilled water to avoid water minerals to get into the surface of the lens that can cause deep scratches. I am using a 3-inch 3M TRIZACT disc, a synthetic 3000 grit sandpaper. While sanding, you can hear from the background how rough the lens's surface is. I did not start with a 1000 grit sandpaper because there is no yellowing or oxidation on the surface. I need to grasp to check for low and high spots. If correction is further needed, I will continue sanding until the entire surface is smooth. You know why I said that this is the most neglected part? Because fog lamps sits below the eye level, it is enclosed with a cover, making it further pushed inside. I need to make a full bend to properly clean and dry the lenses. So, dirt, grime, traffic film, and watermarks are accumulating on the surface. Next, compounding. I'm using a heavy cut compound to smoothen and even out the lens's surface to increase clarity. If you like this video so far, kindly hit the like button, it will help me a lot. And if you consider subscribing to this channel for more videos, thank you so much. Next is polishing. I am using a micro-cut polishing compound for better surface finish. It will add smoothness to the surface and increase the lens's clarity to make it look almost like new. This will also prep the surface for the next step as well. So I did not mask the cover because there is a gap between the fog lamps and the cover. I have enough space to move the sanding disc without accidentally hitting the cover's surface, but I have a tight space to work around. And for the final step, I don't have the video. I add some protection on the surface. 2 coats of Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro to the Max Wax. Sealant protection that will add slickness as well. It will make the surface hydrophobic. Dirt and bug will not easily stick to the lenses as well. If you have ceramic or graphene coating, I strongly suggest you include this part as well. I hope I was able to share something helpful with this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button, and if you consider subscribing to this channel, thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone.